it's me again, Gianna. Today we're gonna make 16 cupcakes. Strawberry cupcakes.
By the way, that is butter and not cheese.
Hey! I already said butter! This is Gianna. And these two are my pretend fishies. And these are my kids.
Yeah, Mama.
And these four are my teachers. I love to feel this. Can I feel it?
Tell me.
It feels like grapes.
Tell me about the ingredients.
This is the butter. This is what? This is the sugar. This is the egg. This is the what? This is the flour. This is the what? This is the milk powder. This is the what? And this is the what? This is the what? This is the what?
Baking salt, baking powder, baking soda, honey. The one that tastes salty. What is it?
Baking powder.
Salty.
Salt. Oh, I forgot to put on my apron. Apron. I can see you. Grace the butter. Grace. Ma. Can I also smell this? Achoo! And now we're gonna put the flour. Look at that. Milk powder. Nom. What? Get milk powder. Ma, this looks like sand, but it's a bit yellowy. This? And what now? This is the baking soda. This is the salt. This is the vanilla. And then this. And now Gianna is gonna stir with the rubber spatula. Boleh meper ke apronnya. Creamy. Is it done? Udah rata belum, Ma? Wow, it's turning good. Ma, now the batter is done. Oh yeah, I almost forgot the strawberries. But I already mixed. Pour all of them? Okay. Spoons. I already canned sauce. I already canned bee sauce. I already canned mixed sauce. And I already canned connect sticks. Only make sure like a stick insect. Stir until it's well mixed. Mix it well. Mix. And we go mix. Do not overmix. Yeah, creamy. So very, very creamy. And now I'm gonna pour this batter into each cupcake case. With what? Tell you what he's supposed to. Stop. Batter. Wow! So many batter. And adding this sauce to each cup. Sauce. It's pretend sauce here right now. It's a little bit creamy with these scoops. Give it a little tap. but I love to scoop Q-tip. Oh, it's so long. Can I eat strawberries? But where are the strawberries? Ma, I want this one. These are our cupcakes. Bye, guys.